Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel if you're a returning subscriber, and welcome if you're new here. My name's Agneta and thank you so much for clicking on this video and watching my video today. In today's video I'm going to be doing a Look Fantastic beauty box unboxing, and I'm going to be showing you the July Look Fantastic beauty box, or let me say beauty bag or travel bag, which is really exciting and in line with their theme for the July month. They've actually sent me this box really early. It's a week until July, which is very early for Look Fantastic, but I can't complain. I'm more than happy with having my box early. So I thought it would be lovely to come and show you guys what's in the July edition box, because it is a bit of a special one, an exciting one, and I think it's one of my favorite boxes so far for this year. Before we get into this video, I just wanted to share with you guys some really exciting news. I'm going to be featuring a giveaway on every single one of my Look Fantastic unboxing, and it's going to be a £30 giveaway. And to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is be a subscriber, like this video and comment down below, and I know that you've entered my unboxing giveaway. So this giveaway is going to be for a chance to win a £30 gift card on Look Fantastic, and you can either spend it on a new makeup product, a new skincare products, or you can register and subscribe onto the Look Fantastic beauty box subscription and pay your first month subscription box. But I thought this would be a lovely way of just getting you guys involved in my videos and having something nice to look forward to for anyone who might be watching my unboxings. So every month I will be giving away £30 to one of my subscribers to treat themselves and to buy new products or to pay their first month subscription. Okay, so let's get into the box. So this month's box is the Wanderlust box, and it is the travel edition for July, because as you guys know, country borders are starting to open up, holiday destinations are starting to let us back out, and people are traveling in July for different holidays, and that's what the theme of the Look Fantastic beauty box is the travel box. So they've packaged all the products in a travel bag, which I absolutely love travel bags, because I don't know why my travel bags always seem to look horrendous and not reusable after I go on a holiday. So every time I get a new one I get very excited, especially because how clean this looks. I'm one of them people who always has a messy makeup bag, so when I always see a nice new travel bag which is clean, it makes me really happy. And it's a beautiful stone color. It has a beauty box written on the back and Look Fantastic imprint on the bag, which is so lovely, and it's clear here and all the products are inside. So for the first product, it's a Revlon lipstick. So this is the Revlon Classic Super Lustrous Lipstick, and it's in a baby pink color 225, so 225. Oh, this is a beautiful color. I'm really bad at describing lip colors, but it's a nudie color with a bit of pink and reds. I love it. It's very natural looking, and the packaging also looks beautiful. I do really like the Revlon makeup product packaging. Oh, and the second product in their beauty box is the Illamasqua Beyond Liquid Mini Highlighter. You guys know I'm a highlight girl. I love trying out new highlighters. I have never tried the Illamasqua highlighters, but I presume they'll be good because I do love Illamasqua products, and Look Fantastic always seems to cater a lot of Illamasqua products in their beauty boxes. So I'm excited to see this highlighter to see whether it'll look nice on my skin tone. Oh, this is a bright highlighter. That is a proper shiny highlighter. That's my type of highlighter. I don't know for the people who are more natural whether they would like this highlighter, because that is a very blingy highlighter. And in the Look Fantastic beauty box, you always have the magazine which tells you about all the products and how to use any of the products. So that's also really useful if you're somebody who's new to the subscription box world. On the highlighter section, it says it's a liquid highlighter which takes inspiration from the brand's famous Beyond Highlighter powder that will give you a striking strobe-like glow mixed into your base makeup for a natural illuminous, or apply directly to the high points of the face for a champagne glowy finish. Okay, so that means that you can actually wear it if you're somebody who likes more of a neutral, natural look. You can mix it into your foundation so it's not too bright. But if you're like me and you like that bright highlight look, you can just put it directly onto the high points of your face to really glow like a light bulb. But if you're more of a natural girl, you can mix it into your foundation and it gives you a natural glow. So for the third item in the Look Fantastic Beauty Box, it's the Star Skin VIP 7-Second Luxury All Day Mask. It's a skincare mask and it has beautiful packaging. I've seen Star Skin quite a lot on the Look Fantastic website, but I've never actually tried any of the Star Skin products. I'm sure they've been in other beauty boxes, but I've either like given the face mask to my sister or a family member, because I'm not really a face mask type of person. I've never really been a big fan of face masks, not because I don't like them or anything, it's just that I just never seem to gravitate into using them. But since I always see this Star Skin brand all over Look Fantastic, it's about time I try it and actually review whether I like this brand and their masks. So in the Look Fantastic Beauty Box book, which tells us about each of the products, it says this is a miracle 7-step skincare in one handy pad, combined skincare formulas, 7-second morning and overnight mask. This double-sided cleansing pad works to hydrate, refresh your complexion as it cleanses for a quick but effective skincare. So to use it, it says you massage the textured side of the pad all over your face, flip over and complete skincare step by wiping the smooth side across your skin, followed with your serums or moisturizers of choice. I think this is going to be a fun skincare product to try. So for the fourth item in the Look Fantastic Beauty Box is the LMS Superfood Glowy Priming Moisturizer. I love a good LMS product, but I've never tried this item. In the Look Fantastic July book, it says this is an LMS priming moisturizer, here to give you a smooth, radiant complexion of your dreams, blended with nourishing ingredients that will also brighten your skin. Perfect for use as a daily moisturizer, a primer, or as a natural base. Yes, you rub a peel size amount all over your skin and neck. If wanting to use as a highlighter, dab a small amount onto the high points of the face, tip of the nose and Cupid's bow. You can actually use this as a moisturizer, a primer, a highlighter and a natural base. So it's quite multifaceted, this moisturizer. We'll see whether all those claims are correct. But I love the packaging and the colour of this, and it's a really good size amount to try it, because sometimes when you have like a little mini travel size moisturizer, you never really get the full effect of it, but this is definitely a really good size. So for the fifth item in the Look Fantastic July Beauty Box is the Grow Gorgeous Protective Hair Mist. I've never tried this product because obviously I have afro hair, so I'm always a little bit skeptical of trying hair products which aren't catered specifically for afro hair. But for my friends who are Caucasian and have European hair, they seem to all really like the Grow Gorgeous products. So when I get hair products which aren't specifically for afro hair, I normally tend to like give it to one of my friends who have European type textured hair. I've heard good things about Grow Gorgeous, but personally I've never tried them. I will let you guys know what information Look Fantastic have provided about this product. It says it's a protective hair mist that shields your hair from heat damage, colour fade and extensive aggressions. It's vegan friendly and formulated without parabens, sulfates and silicones, especially great for greasy hair that is prone to producing build-up. In order to use it, you just spray it on towel dried hair, comb through and style as normal, which is very simple and easy. For the sixth and last item in the Look Fantastic July Beauty Box, it's a body and face mist by the company Mine. I've never tried this brand or heard of it actually. I've never tried any face mists before, but I know a lot of people love face mist in the summer period. Apparently it cools you down, especially when you're on holiday and it's hot. Then I've always gravitated away from using face mist, but this summer I'm gonna try it because I always see girls always having their face mist like in the summer period, and they always seem like they're enjoying it and looking refreshed. So this is my first ever face and body mist, so I will try it and see whether I like it. In the Look Fantastic box, it says it's a refreshing face and body spray which acts as a Gradual tanner to give you a bronzy glow this summer. With a lightweight formula that instantly absorbs zero fake tan smell, this is gradual tanning and suitable for face and body and is perfect for that glow. So it's actually a face and body mist that allows you to tan, so it's a gradual tanner. Even though I'm black, I still am prone to tanning and I don't mind a cheeky good tan. And it says to use it, you hold the bottle for at least 15 centimeters away from your face and spray all over your face and body evenly. Allow it to fully dry before applying any makeup. I'm not sure whether gradual face tanners actually work. If you're somebody who's actually tried a gradual tanning spray, let me know, do they work? But I'll also try this out this summer and see if it makes any difference to how I normally usually tan. But that was the last item in the July beauty box, and I actually really liked the box this month, or the bag this month, because I felt like there was a variety of different products, and I have to say the fact that it was a bag really made me excited. It was something new and something different compared to what we normally get, which are the boxes. But having something that you can use on a daily basis or when you're traveling on holiday, it's definitely something that's so useful. And the fact that it looks really high-end and good quality is also a bonus. I hope you guys enjoyed my Look Fantastic July beauty box unboxing. If you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and enter my giveaway.